I 3D printed and built two different vehicles, a truck and a forklift. They're both remote control and they can deliver deliveries to all of the houses in my CyberBrick city. They're all made using something called CyberBrick. Before we start, let's open my brand new AMS. But wait, what does AMS mean? Automated Material System. It means I can print up to 4 colours in one print. My setup went looking like this to looking like this. To test it out, I printed a 4-colour benchy. Amazing! Now let's actually start building the parts for the forklift and truck. These two next prints need different materials. The next one is the lights, it's PETG and it's see-through. And then this one is using TPU, which is like a rubber filament. It's going to be used for the tracks and a part in the truck. Now that I have all the printed parts along with the CyberBrick kit, it's time to start building the vehicles. They look awesome. Now let's build the base of the CyberBrick city. had our base, it was time to print stuff to go on that base, like a load-in dock. This is a great use of the AMS. It uses 3 colours. What's a city without houses? I printed a blue house, a green house, a yellow house, an orange house, and a red house. Now that everything's painted and everything's ready to stick on, I put everything where it needs to go and I glued it all on. Now there was just one thing left to do. Stick a sign on it that says CyberBrick City. Now, after roughly 50 hours of print time non-stop, and building and everything else, I give you CyberBrick City. As always, the designs will be on Bamboo Labs so you can print them too. Make sure to subscribe so you can support the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.